Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel from brown sugar. This simple recipe uses just 5 common ingredients and takes less than 15 minutes to prepare. You'll need 1 cup of packed brown sugar, half a cup of heavy cream, and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Also, have ready half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Having all your ingredients at room temperature helps them combine smoothly. Let's begin by melting the butter. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted, add your 1 cup of packed brown sugar and a pinch of salt. Whisk these ingredients constantly. This continuous stirring helps the sugar dissolve completely and prevents it from sticking, ensuring a smooth, consistent base for your delicious caramel sauce. Now it's time to add the cream. Slowly whisk in half a cup of heavy cream into your sugar and butter mixture. Be careful, as it may bubble up. Increase the heat to medium-high and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Then, reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes, stirring frequently. The caramel will thicken as it cooks, reaching a beautiful golden brown color. Once your caramel has reached the desired thickness, remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic aroma and taste. Let the caramel cool completely at room temperature. It will continue to thicken as it cools. For storage, transfer your homemade caramel to an airtight container and refrigerate it for up to 3 weeks. You can gently warm it to restore its pourable consistency.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.